How many times have you hesitated before speaking up, asking a question, or saying yes to a big opportunity? You weren't lacking talent. You weren't even lacking skill. You were just missing one thing: confidence. The real enemy of confidence is not fear, it's hesitation. That tiny pause your brain takes before doing something uncomfortable. That's when doubt creeps in and steals the moment. Here's the trick: the 5-second rule. Invented by Mel Robbins, this rule is dead simple. You count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and act immediately. No hesitation, no excuses. The science? When you count down, you interrupt your autopilot behavior, your brain's panic loop. You activate the prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for decision-making. You take back control before fear can stop you. Start using the 5-second rule today. Every time you hesitate, count down, then act. You'll be amazed what 5 seconds of courage can do. Don't just think about it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Like this video, subscribe, and take your first.